Can you transform evil into good? Can the same reason used for destruction be used for redemption? Well, look at what happened. God says, I'm going to destroy the whole world. You know why? Because man's inclination and thoughts are negative. They're evil from the moment he's born. Later on, God brings about a whole flood, destroys and cleanses the whole world. Noach and his family are saved in an ark. He comes out, the first thing he does is give a thanks offering to God. Thank you, God, for saving me miraculously of this great flood. At that moment, a voice from heaven declares, I will never again destroy humanity. I will never again destroy the world. Why? Because man's inclination is evil from the moment he's born. I don't understand. The same reason which caused God to destroy the world is the same reason that causes God to promise to never destroy it again. What is the difference? The difference is what Noach did. Noach was able to have a little recognition. He recognized that what was his was not really his. His life is a gift, and everything that he has is a great gift from above. The moment he did this, suddenly everything in heaven transformed. It's true, we might not be perfect, but the only thing we need to do as children to our Father in heaven is to just recognize where the blessings come from. I remember when I was 16 years old, studying in Israel, my father, he should live long and be well, used to send me an allowance of $100 Canadian every month. And when came the time for his birthday, I would take $40, buy him a nice present, write him a nice card, and wish him good wishes for his birthday, and send it over to Montreal. You can imagine the pleasure my father had receiving this card and the present. Of course, I won't tell you that the month after I got a little more money, but that's a side issue. And that wasn't really my intention originally. Imagine if I just told my father, Daddy, you know what? This month is your birthday. Send me $60 and keep 40 for yourself, buy yourself a present. The pleasure, the nachat would not be the same. King David teaches us, David HaMelech says, Ki mimcha hakol umiyadcha natnu lach. God, everything is from you, and from your hand, we just gave it back to you. We get so many gifts from God. How much do we give back? The moment we're able to give back, that is the greatest nachat, that is the greatest pleasure. For every breath we take and every step we make, imagine how many do we keep for ourselves and how many do we give back to God. That has the power to transform any evil decree and even transform evil into some type of protection.